Yo. What's up? What's up, hungover Michelle? It's funny. Alex, are you still in eighth? Because honestly, mate, I just fucking took it off me. I was pissed off with it. Let's see where it is now. Yeah, I don't like eighth, mate. I don't like how it's holding. I don't like how it nearly squeezed. I don't like the volume that just came in. Like I'm not joking. I made fucking $90 and then borrows come off after that. Eighth was a big disaster for us. Yeah, price actions. I don't know if it just needs to, the way it's really holding the line well on eighth, but all right, let's see what the it's torturing is that stock. Okay. I think quite a few people are in. I think eighth's going to squeeze in a second. We can try and catch it. I mean, look, not the worst day. Like decent week, decent month. Like I'm up 520, which isn't great because I was up 800 and then I was up 800 and ATHE kind of came back. We'll go over that. But let's go over it now. So, I mean, of the penny stocks, this was me trade zero trade. Fuck, sorry. I'll do this. I mean, ATHE, like, for sure, has everything about it to fail, like, and fail bad and gap down tomorrow. We've got this big failure here on similar volume, so it's kind of confusing why like this should fail, and like I'm tempted to like it looks like it's almost dumping. You can see like the 24s get dumped on, but it's just weird. Like these are the type of charts that sometimes squeeze in the afternoons. So like I'm like, all right, maybe we'll get a 30-40 cent drop, but we might get a 30-40 cent squeeze. And if I'm up 500 plus on the day, do I really want to take that chance? Now, for sure, the daily says it should fail, right? But the intraday does not want to give up that 245. It really should have. Like we've had quite decent volume come in this area, and there's not much of a logical explanation as to why, unless they're planning on squeezing this in the afternoon and it's manipulation. But either way, even if it's a 70% chance that it'll fall and a 30% chance that it'll go, I just don't like it. I mean, we've got we've got this very subtle trend. We've almost got a wedge, but I don't know if it's like an ascending triangle that's gonna come, or if it's like, or if we're just playing like some big descending triangle. Like this could be a big descending triangle, but yeah, it doesn't. It's not a descending triangle. Like it's like a wedge it's breaking out of, and it's gonna squeeze. To me, this to me is a ascending breakout wedge. And I would not be surprised if they're setting this up because it's manipulated, right? Like this is specifically holding a level for a reason. It's because people are buying and buying and buying and buying. They are buying and buying and buying and buying, and it's to squeeze it so they can sell in the 3s and the 320s and the 330s. And this might be the squeeze right now. Just make sure I'm crediting my shares. I don't want any part of it. I mean, look, I could short the parabolic, to be honest, but then you don't know how I either wanted. This is not a, yeah, this looks like a squeeze. Like I don't even want to short the. Yeah, I'm taking the shares back from crediting them from trade zero because if this does go to like 4, it's pretty cool. I've got this on live stream. I've kept the shares because if this does go to like 4, 5, 6, yeah, it's away. Like it would be nice to short this later. Short the parabolic. Is it? Is it an all-day fader hot boy? Is it? Or are you not reading the chart right? Yeah, this is a squeezer for me. This can go. This is froze a little bit. Hang on. Let us reboot that. One sec. Computer problems. But yeah, I don't know if it's patent approval or if it's something else. But this to me is going to go higher. It might have some pullback. It might go back to the 280s. I'll show you the chart in a minute, but this to me is going to squeeze in the afternoon. It's setting up perfect. And it's one of those where I'm like, well, do I be pissed off that I made $100? Or do I be happy that I didn't lose 500 because I read the pattern right? Just gives a sec. Yeah, I think it's a bit laggy. I think the software is a bit laggy. I've got a few things open. But even it would be awful if it came all the way back. But it's okay. Like this can come down, no problem. I mean, look, I'm not going long this. I'm just saying it's not a short. But if you follow, if we take this one off, as long as it follows this uptrend, it's strong. So ATHE, I made $100. I didn't play it very well. I kind of messed it up. But I was shorting this channel and covering the dip. I was up like 400 in this area until this ascending pattern kind of formed, and I give it all back except 100. So After borrows, it'll be not a lot. But on the flip side, there was still some nice shorts, like typical gap and crap chart, gap and crap again. AMC must have a ton of dilution, so that was like a nice few hundred just getting short in the pre-market area. CBOT, it was just overextended, right? So it's like it's super overextend. We're up from the 3s to the 9s. So when it was looking weak at pre-market, it was just taking a stab into the open. But then when the breakout didn't confirm short, I was just out. And then NIO was the other kind of main play. And then if you guys have got some questions, I'm happy to take some questions. I'm very curious about ATHE, but I think it's squeezed in the afternoon. I can't see it being anything else. I've been wrong before, though. I'll be wrong again. But if I'm not sure, the best play is no play. NIO was like this kind of, we expected, like with NIO, I said it yesterday in the other thing. I think it's had this big gap up and fail, and then first red day. But the only safe way to play the first red day would be to let it go into green red. Now I'll go along as well, Simon. Let it go green red, and short the green red, and we had it perfect, right? So I was short a couple of times on NIO, and like it just felt like it was going to push through. So I took like two like $50 losses, $110 lost on this, and then I give up on it. When a third time, I was like third time right but wrong, because I was wrong twice and then missed the third, and then with the entries, I took like $40 on this break, but the break didn't last. It wasn't pushing properly, so on this was a long. I took $40 long on NIO, yeah, but it just wasn't pushing enough, so I let it go, and yeah, I mean, look, it's traders will just be faked out. Longs and shorts will have lost both ways on the red, green, red. It's a tough spot, and that's it. So if you guys have got any tickers, let's see who's in. What's up, Alex? I bet you're still in ATHE, but be careful, brother. There's signs of worry on this. What's up? Hey, Gav, what's up? What did you trade today? Just gone through. What's up? Not bad, mate. Like I say, what did I make? 540? Yeah, I made like 500. It's all right. It's not. I'm a bit annoyed that it's not 8, but if ATHE does go, I'm proud that I didn't lose, right? Because back in the day, like last year or January, maybe February this year, I'd make that mistake, and I've learned now. Listen to the podcast every day. Nice, brother. It's great to hear. Ari Jobless Pilot, nice to see you. Yeah, Alex is still in. So NIO, I'm just confused about. It seems like a chop day. I know Alex has got a really good average. I mean, look, the history says it fails, right? I'm just very scared of this ascending line. Like, it's 12:30. Hasn't broke down yet. It's making an ascend. It's making higher lows. It's just not for me. Like, hey, but I hope you're right. I think this is going to go, mate. I'm not kidding. I almost went along this. Yeah, I'd take it long from like the 269s, risking the trend line. Shorts are just going to get squeezed and squeezed. $1,000. Excellent, brother. What was GNUS? It's not a trade for me, brother, but well done. It's just not volatile that for me. No, it's not really volatile enough. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, it's. I mean, look, we'll see how it plays. It's just a bit dodgy for me. Nah, go long. As long NIO today. Tim Lento is leeching off Sykes' program. What are you talking about? Nice long trade. Nice, brother. Yeah, that'll probably squeeze even higher in a few days. Let's go back to ATHE. Obviously, guys, I don't need to say if you want to use Trade Zero. I use Trade Zero for my small account. Very good for international small accounts. $500 and you get all the hot borrows. Please use me link. I need more, but I need to get more affiliates. I want to get more than the $10 a day affiliate commissions, which some days I get, some days I get 6. So I'm trying to figure out how to get more. I'm with you. It looks scary. Yeah. Along the trend line. Yeah, no, I agree. We'll go along on the trend line and then risk just below it. Good stuff, brother. PPSI. Let's see what's happening here. Not a lot. Interesting. Oh, man. Very nice green day. It came out, I mean, kind of came out of nowhere for me, but very nice green day. ATHE, Harry, mate. Yeah, I think so as well. Like, I mean, look, this thing could fall apart at 3, but it could also rip before 3 as well. So, legend. Please use me link. Hank, what's up, brother? You'll catch it on YouTube. Thank you, brother. It's on me Twitter and on Instagram if you hit us up. Alex Self uses them. I mean, for me, I've used them for like 5 years. I think they're brilliant international. I can't say American because I've not used them, but I do know a couple of American people who have used them. Like, I gotta be honest, like I don't know. The borrows are decent, and I don't think you pay commissions. Because I think if you go to like Speed Trader or Centerpoint, I think you still pay commissions. Because I pay them anyway. Anyway, guys, we'll wrap it. My guess is this squeezes, and if you're watching this in 2 days' time, tell us if I was right or wrong. Comment below. Please write a comment or hit like or something because it helps me algorithm. TZ is good for US as well, but borrows are expensive. But you don't have comms or ECN fees. Trust me, I pay $150 in comms every day. I'll leave you with that. And that's, well, Trade Zero, some of them are free. The other broker I've got, fucking, I pay $100+ in fees every day. Comms.